Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Save Nehu, save Nehu. Remove this BC, save Nehu. Save Nehu, save Nehu. Remove this BC, save Nehu. Save Nehu, save Nehu. Long live, long live. Long live Nehu too. Long live, long live. Long live Nehu. Long live, long live. Long live Nehu. Long live, long live.
Ki noi kai kinong trei bat ki samla puli jong Skulbah North Eastern Hill University ki badan hapo kalama jong Joint Action Committee haka khatn re tere unai luar arjar arpho ki la pelong daga jingi ki bajai ha phalau jong Skulbah Nehu Shillong kum shibanta ban Pyrshah ya ka jing Pynjlan ya ka jing Sakri jong Professor SK Srivastava kum Vice Chancellor jong kini Skulbah hakni jingi ki bajai kinoi kai kinong trei ki samla puli kila pelong ru ya ka jingi procession hapo ka phalau jong kini Skulbah dak belastang nakmat jong ka library bat pun kot pat ha ka caka penyang kali ke badan halendat jong ka office Treikam Vice Chancellor ka Skulbah Nehu u chairman jong ka GAC u Professor XP Mau habai keran bagi la pathai kubor ula ong bakni ka jingi ka dei namar ka jing bomla Treikam jong Vice Chancellor u SK Srivastava kat kum ka Act of Parliament bat kum ju ru halor ki mat ki ba uni Vice Chancellor ulayat lat ya ki kendon Treikam jong ka Skulbah Nehu.
Follow Nehu statutes. Follow. Long live JC. Long live, long live. Long live JC. Long live, long live.
The Vice Chancellor once again, even at the end of his tenure, has called regular academic council meeting tomorrow, which is a clear violation of Nehu ordinance that the minimum day should be 15 days. But he has given this notice just yesterday, which is a complete violation. What is the hurry? What is his motive? Why he keeps on violating? So we want to show that tomorrow we don't want to have academic council meeting because it is a clear violation of the Nehu ordinance. If it is emergency meeting or an urgent meeting, no problem. Within a day or two, the meeting can be called. But this is a regular academic council meeting. The rule is 15 days time should be given. But that has been violated once again. The Vice Chancellor, who is about to leave 4 months before his tenure, he cannot even discuss any important matters. He can at most have routine matters. Substantial policy matters he is not allowed by the rules and convention. But he wants to violate shamelessly. This meeting is relating to various academic matters like opening of postgraduate departments in different colleges, and so many other important policy matters are to be discussed. But according to the rules and convention, when any Vice Chancellor is about to finish his term 4 months before, he is not supposed to take any policy matters or any substantial decision is not allowed to take. He can do only routine matters to allow the university to go on. At present, the Vice Chancellor himself is under home quarantine. And as per COVID-19 guidelines, he is not supposed to convene the meeting. But here again, apart from the violation of Nehu ordinance, he is also violating the protocol of COVID-19. So this is how this Vice Chancellor does not care for the rules. So he wants to do whatever he wishes to do. This is why we don't want him even a single day. And this policy he wanted to do as he likes because during his tenure of 5 years, he had not even taken step to appoint the Chancellor who is supposed to be above him. Here, the Vice Chancellor is supposed to take step to send 3 names to be resolved in the Executive Council and sent to the visitor, that is the President of India. But he has never taken such a step. Due to that, for the last 5 years, we are without Chancellor, and we cannot even appeal to him so that he could do whatever he wishes to do. So this is a very, very serious violation. Due to that, there is no wonder that our university has irrevocably descended to a very low, the lowest level during his era.